Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a unicorn sheep. That's right, we're going to draw a cute unicorn sheep. This unicorn sheep will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing some fluffy hair on the top of the sheep's head. I like to keep the lines curvy to make the hair look softer. Next, I will draw in the horn for our unicorn sheep friend. Feel free to make the horn longer, bigger or smaller if you like. After all, horns can come in all shapes and sizes. Next, we will draw in the sheep's face by drawing two curved lines. Below the face, I will draw in some fluffy fur. I like to draw fluffy fur by drawing a lot of semicircles connected together. Let's draw in the unicorn sheep's face next. I will draw in two black dots for the eyes and then draw an X for the mouth and nose that is in between. You can also add in eyebrows to help the unicorn sheep to better express its feelings. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Now let's draw in the rest of the fluffy unicorn sheep. Again, we are going to draw the fluffy fur by connecting a lot of semicircles together. Let's not forget to add in some fluffy legs for our friend here. Next, let's add in some fluffy arms for our unicorn sheep. Now, wouldn't it be cute if it had some cute floppy ears on the side too? Isn't it so cute already? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color in the unicorn sheep. I like to gather all the colors I plan on using first. This gives me a better idea of the color combos that I will use for my drawing. I like to color from top to bottom. Let's start by using our purple marker to color in the fluffy fur on its head. Next, I'll use my apricot color to color in the sheep's face, paws and ears. Let's not forget to color in the horn as well. Now, I'm going to work my way through the rainbow colors, starting with the color blue. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Next, I'm going to use green and slowly make my way down the colors of the rainbow to fill in the rest of our friend's fluffy fur coat. Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your unicorn sheep. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to unicorn sheep's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little unicorn sheep. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or a fluffy cloud. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of unicorn sheep in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the unicorn sheep. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.